This is one of the lifts at Pukekohe railway station. It's a KONE Monospace.
Floor 0.
13 persons or 1,000 kgs. Maintained by Schindler. Watch out the doors going up this time.
First floor.
Take it for one more ride. Back down to 0. Watch out this window this time. There's some of the ADL class DMUs parked up over there in the stabling hold. Trains are currently being replaced by buses this weekend for the weekend on this line, but we can still ride the lifts. ADL 805 over there. You can sort of see up the shaft. Take this back up again and then watch out the window again going up.
First floor.
Now if we send it down, you can see the lift motor from up. You may be able to see the lift motor from up here. Well, there it goes, and that's it.